I want you guys to walk me through your personal journey because I'm pretty sure everybody would have a different journey.
Life at NBS is very happening.
So how is the campus life here?
11 के बाद आप कम बैक नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम लाइक डेडलाइन मैच नहीं कर पाते तो हमें नाइट आउट वगैरह करना पड़ता है.
ये मिलेगा वो मिलेगा, किसी की गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड बनेगी, कोई प्लेसमेंट लेके जाएगा. Now that you guys are three and a half months into the program, what is the same about your expectation? And the very masala controversial topic is around the ROI. You know, the return on investment. You guys have spent 2 years here, almost 2 years. Valuable time. So what's the return that you're getting? Firstly, let's start with internships. I'm pretty sure getting a job at Zomato was not very easy. So how was the whole process? Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I've finally gotten hold of first year students of Narayana Business School. Trust me, it was not an easy job, but I've gotten a good bunch. Guys, are you ready to answer all my questions? Yes. Great. We are going to get all the masala from them. They're going to give me all the important gossips and answer a lot of the questions and queries that you people have. Guys, before we get started, first thing, जो भी बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं. Amazing. Okay. Quickly, guys, if you all could introduce yourself and tell me where you're from, it'll be great. Go for it.
Sup people, my name is Aryan Pandey and I'm from Jamnagar, Gujarat, and I completed my BBA from Parul.
Hello, I'm Yuvika Sharma and I'm from Jodhpur. I've done my bachelor's in commerce from Jodhpur itself.
Hi, I'm Mayank Srivastav. I'm coming from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and I've done my BCom from Jivaji University.
Hi, my name is Vanya Dikshit and I have completed my graduation from BCom Gujarat itself, Som Lalit College, and I am from Gujarat only.
Hello everyone, my name is Harpita Sondia and I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and I have completed my bachelor's in commerce from computer application in Bhopal itself.
Okay, my name is Abhishek Rajput and I am from Uttar Pradesh and I have completed my bachelor's from LG University in Gujarat itself.
Hi all, my name is Rahul Agarwal and I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal, and I've done my bachelor's from KCM College, Kathmandu, Nepal.
Wow, guys, that's a really good introduction. Now, guys, basically the videos that I make are being watched by people who are really confused about joining different colleges, courses, kahan jaye, kya kare, all that. And I'm pretty sure 3 months back, you guys were also at the same position, you know, looking, shortlisting various colleges, all that. I want you guys to walk me through your personal journey because I'm pretty sure everybody would have a different journey. Somebody, किसी ने CAT दिया होगा, किसी ने NB SAT दिया होगा. So I want you to walk through that and tell me which were the colleges you were looking at, which all exams you gave, and why did you like finally shortlist NBS? Like, what was your reason of choosing that? Go for it.
For me, Kavach, मैंने CAT नहीं दिया था. So I was stuck with very limited options. Like I applied to SKIPS, then Shanti Business School, MIT University. मैंने बहुत सारे colleges में apply किया था. But NBS was the only college जो मुझे लग रहा था कि it suits the best to my preferences personally.
And what were those preferences?
Like the campus life, of course. The campus was very nice. मैंने campus visit लिया था. It was amazing. And secondly, marketing मुझे लेना है. And मैंने seniors वगैरह से बात करी थी and they told me about it that marketing के लिए you should definitely go for Narayana Business School. Like it is amongst the best B schools.
Okay, wow. That's good. What about you?
Before coming at Narayana Business School, I have reached out a lot of people on LinkedIn and they told me everything about marketing and all the packages and all, everything I got to know. And then I decided I should just take it because I've also applied in SBR Bangalore, but I've reached out a lot of people there, but the feedback I was not getting that I was expecting. So for that, so I just came here at Ahmedabad and joined my Narayana Business School.
I basically gave every entrance exams. So in CAT I scored 88 percentile. So I was expecting CAP calls B, but I didn't get CAP calls. So मैंने ISB के लिए भी enroll किया. I enrolled for Great Lakes. I enrolled for Nirma, like every college. But one fine day NBS आया like मेरे साथ like मुझे call आया because I was just searching for all the colleges. So मुझे call आया and then everything aligned perfectly. Like यहाँ पे exam भी होती है इनकी, यहाँ पे interview भी होता है. So it was not just कि you just get into it very easily. You are obviously being taken into the tough calls, but it was perfect. Then everything aligned perfectly for me.
What about you guys?
Okay, so मैं बहुत clear था finance के लिए है ना, and then I got 3-4 options. One
Like which all?
Narayana Business School is there. One is Madras University. And the other one was Jagdish School of Management, right?
Jackson.
Jackson, yeah.
Okay, and which else?
And three
Okay.
these colleges. And went through their courses, and I'm doing quantitative finance, right? So Narayana was one of them who is providing me this very good course, which is core into finance. And with the teachers, with the legacy of 25 years, this was the best option. That too in Gujarat, learning the mindset of money as well.
Okay, nice, good one. Huh?
तो या PGDM करने का मैंने दिसंबर में सोचा था. सो जैन में CMAT होता है, तो मैंने CMAT दिया and I got 89 percentile,
Okay.
which was good. And I've applied in 3-4 colleges. One is ISBR, Nirma, ISMS, and then Narayana Business School. Obviously, I got admitted from like ISBR. I got admission letter from there. But I thought like मैं गुजरात में ही रहता हूँ. So this Nirma and Narayana will be a better option. बट निरमा डजेंट गेट मी बिकॉज 89 वहाँ पे परसेंटाइल मैटर नहीं करता है, वहाँ पे 90 से ऊपर चाहिए होता है आपको.
Okay.
सो दैट्स व्हाई आई चूज नारायणा.
Fair enough.
Yes.
What about you?
ओके कवच, सो मेरी स्टोरी थोड़ी सी ट्रैजिक है. ऐसा था कि मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सारे एग्जाम्स दिए थे
Okay.
MBA रिलेटेड एंड रिलेटेड टू IIMs एंड वो प्यारे प्यारे सपने सजाए थे, बट अच्छे नंबर आने के बाद भी इंटरव्यूज़ अच्छे नहीं गए थे. एंड
Okay.
उसकी वजह से ऐसा हुआ था कि आई थॉट कि मुझे एक और बार ड्रॉप ले लेना चाहिए. बट वन ऑफ माई मेंटर्स सजेस्टेड नारायणा बिजनेस स्कूल एंड ही सेड कि आप नारायणा ट्राई कर सकते हो, गो फॉर अ कैंपस विजिट एंड टॉक टू सम फैकल्टीज़ और थोड़ा बातचीत करो लिंक्डइन में. उसके बाद थोड़ा एक बार डिसीजन ले लो, ड्रॉप का मत करो. एंड फिर मैंने बात की और फिर मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया, NB सेट दिया एंड सी आई एम हियर.
Okay, great. What about you?
माई स्टोरी इज़ प्रीटी सिंपल. मैंने सिंपल पहले तो सोचा था कि मुझे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करनी है, बट कहीं ना कहीं मैं ऐसी इंसान हूँ जिसको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर बहुत पसंद है. फिर मुझे पता चला PGDM डुअल स्पेशलाइजेशन के बारे में, जिसके लिए मैंने एग्ज़ाम काफ़ी जगह पे दिया, स्किप्स शांति, जहाँ पे मेरा हो भी गया था सिलेक्शन. बट यहाँ का NBS का डाइवर्सिटी देख के मुझे कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा लगा, जो चीज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है, छोटे से लोगों को जानना पहचानना. फिर एक्सपोजर, AI बेस्ड फैकल्टीज़, आप नहीं भी चाहोगे तो आपको स्टेज पे आना ही पड़ेगा अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करने के लिए. सो कहीं ना कहीं कैंपस लाइफ एंड ऑल NBS ने मेरे को अट्रैक्ट किया इस चीज़ के लिए.
That's really good. I guys want to good answers by the way. Usually I get this doubt from students कि भैया अहमदाबाद में है, we don't know about it. How's the campus? What do students really do? So how is the campus life here?
So campus life is actually the best part, and I'll be very honest कि मेरे expectation उतने थे नहीं, because I had this perception कि masters it's very serious PGDM man, but ऐसा नहीं है, because यहाँ पे इतने clubs होते हैं, यहाँ पे SOMCOM का club है, यहाँ पे culture का club है, so everything is perfectly organized and there's something happening every day. Productive talks भी होते हैं which aligns interest of every student, so everything has been taken care of perfectly.
Great. Do you want to add to that?
Yeah, of course. Life at NBS is very happening, from meeting the attendance criteria to completing the CECs on time, managing events, everything. And as you mentioned, clubs. तो मैं SOMCOM की हूँ, the social media club, and we have to capture everything, every event, everything. So life at NBS is quite nice.
That's really good. Now guys, my next question is around the routine of a student. Like what time do you start in the day? What time do you end? How long are these classes? What do you do? So anybody
सॉरी
wants
टू इंटरप्ट
Yeah.
कवच, बट इसमें दो ओपिनियन हो सकते हैं, एक हॉस्टलाइट्स के लिए एंड एक डे स्कॉलर्स के लिए, दोनों के opinions
Okay, so
अलग
yeah,
हैं.
how many of you people are in hostels? Hostel. Okay, and how many are day scholars? I'm the day scholar. Wait, you're from Jodhpur, so how are you a day scholar?
नानी का घर.
Acha, okay, so nice. Great. So yeah, so you tell me what
Yeah,
how,
so
as a day
usually-
scholar what do you do?
Yes, sure. So usually my days start at 6 and then मेरे clients होते हैं, जैसे I am a gym trainer, so मैं उनके sessions लेता हूँ and then I got ready and then after at 10 I reach college, then till 4:30 I have to be in college and then after that if कोई event होता है तो उस event में part लेना है, उसकी तैयारी करना and then CCs होते हैं.
Wait, CCs क्या है? Like everyone's saying
It's
that.
like something like assignments
Okay.
related to that, yes.
Okay.
So we get that and उससे marks भी मिलते हैं and
Right.
important भी है वो.
Yes.
फिर उसके बाद घर जाना usually and then spending time with family, friends and then
Got it.
same thing.
God, what about you people? Hostel, you're all the way from Nepal to Ahmedabad, yeah?
Yes, so let me tell you the story of a hostelites, okay? तो हमारा दिन यूजुअली 8 बजे शुरू होता है. Then as usual we get freshen up and then सब लोग लिफ्ट के लिए वेट करते हैं कब फ्री होगा. Then we get down and then breakfast is at 9.
Okay.
So 9 to 10 is breakfast. Then 10:15 to 1:30 is your class. In between you get 15-minute break.
Okay.
Then for hostelites 1:30 to 2:30 is lunch. You can have your lunch, but the queue is too long. Fast for that. फिर the class ends at 4:30, and then उसके बाद we can, if there is an event, we stay there. Night 8 is our dinner time, and then the best part is the evening after 9, where we play volleyball and some outdoor sports as well. So yeah, that's how the
Okay.
life goes.
Wow, that's really good, yeah. Now, guys, day scholars would obviously spend time with their parents and enjoy it with their family. But the ones who've come from all the way, like they're from Bhopal, what do you do on the weekends? Like, how are the weekends like?
लाइक वीकेंड्स सैटरडेज ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग पैक ही रहते हैं. सैटरडेज में यहाँ पे इवेंट होते हैं, वर्कशॉप्स होती हैं, तो हमें अटेंड करना पड़ता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. एंड नाइट में हम लोग यहाँ अहमदाबाद के कैफ़ेज़ एंड ऑल सब विजिट करते हैं, हैंग आउट करते हैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस. अगर और एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हॉस्टल का सीन है, 11 के बाद आप कम बैक नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम लाइक डेडलाइन मैच नहीं कर पाते तो हमें नाइट आउट वगैरह करना पड़ता है.
कैन आई ऐड समथिंग? यस. पहली बात तो हॉस्टल्स के लिए परमिशन लेके जाना पड़ता है बाहर. एंड सेकेंडली इन सैटरडेज मोस्टली ऐसा होता है कि जैसे आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ स्टार इज़ आवर स्टूडेंट काउंसिल एंड मैं उसकी पार्ट हूँ। तो हमारी यूजुअली मीटिंग्स होते हैं एंड एज हम स्टूडेंट काउंसिल है तो हम कुछ इवेंट्स कराते हैं, या और भी क्लब्स जो हैं वो कुछ इवेंट्स कराते हैं रिलेटेड टू वेलफेयर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इटसेल्फ। तो वो सैटरडेज़ को जनरली ऑर्गेनाइज़ किए जाते हैं ताकि बच्चे आ पाए, एंड वो 4:30 के पहले ही कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं एंड उसके बाद बच्चे फ्री हैं, फिर वो एज यूजुअल कैफ़े हॉपिंग एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ घूमना फिरना ये करते हैं। एंड इन संडेज़ मोस्टली 90% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हॉस्टलाइट्स सब सोते हैं क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी उठना पड़ता है हमें तो हम सोते हैं, फिर उठ के आराम से लंच एंड ऑल। बट हाँ, संडेज़ को डिनर नहीं होते, तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा टाइम होता है कि हम बाहर सब गेट टुगेदर और डिनर, डे स्कॉलर्स के साथ भी बाहर जाने का मौका मिलता है हमें, तो ये भी होता है।
That's
But
really good.
also, like, we also have our mentor-mentee sessions on Saturdays, which is a very good concept for student-faculty interactions. So
Okay.
that is also there.
That means like all the students have been assigned a mentor that they have to talk to one. Okay. Guys, my just last question is, see, whenever you are joining any B school, right? Whosoever is part of the B school, whether it's the faculty, alumni, anybody, they would always tell you, ये अच्छा है, वो अच्छा है, all that. And even you guys would have had certain assumptions कि ये मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा, किसी की girlfriend, boyfriend बनेगी, कोई placement लेके जाएगा. All those things would happen. But now tell me, now that you guys are three and a half months into the program, what is the same about your expectations? जो सोचा था वो मिला, और what is different? Like वो सोचा था नहीं मिला. So anybody wants to answer that?
आई विल आंसर अबाउट दैट।
Okay.
सो जो सोचा था उससे तो ज़्यादा ही है। कहीं ना कहीं मैं सोच के आई थी कि मैं ठीक है इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करूँगी, अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करूँगी, अपने आप को टेस्ट करूँगी, बट कहीं ना कहीं ECCs एंड ऑल ने हमारी लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ और एनहांस करी है। जो नहीं भी करना चाहते हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली उस पोजीशन पर लाए जाते हैं कि वो काम करते हैं। और कहीं ना कहीं ये बोलूँगी कि पहले सोचा था कि ये कहीं सिटी लाइफ में होगी NBS, बट समवेयर ये अंदर मतलब टाउन से बाहर है थोड़ा, जिसके कारण थोड़ा ट्रैवलिंग प्रॉब्लम होता है। बट जब NBS में आप अंदर एंटर हो जाते हो, फ्रेंड्स के लिए पार्किंग में वेट करना एंड ऑल, सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम तक मन ही नहीं करता है फिर घर जाओ इतनी जल्दी।
That's okay. That's a very honest answer she's given कि हाँ टाउन के अंदर तो नहीं है, तो लोगों को लगता होगा टाउन में नहीं है, बट आउटसाइड है, बट रेस्ट okay. That's about it, guys. यही मेरे को जानना था. Thank you so much for your time. Wish you guys all the very best. Okay, guys, I finally gotten hold of the second year students here at Narayana Business School. Guys, just now I was just talking to your juniors, and we were talking a lot about the life on campus and routine and weekends and all that. With you guys, I want to double down on a lot of other aspects which again are going to be very, very crucial. Anyways, guys, let's continue quickly. If you all could introduce yourself.
I am Shrishti Jain. I am from Mandsaur, Madhya Pradesh, and here I am doing PGDM dual specialization in marketing and finance.
My name is Karan Shaw. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I am pursuing dual specialization.
Hi, I am Priyansh Joshi. I am from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, and I am currently pursuing dual specialization in marketing major.
Hi, I am Ishan Bhargav from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am pursuing MBA in finance.
Hello, I am Lavanya from Patna, Bihar, and I am just doing a master's in business administrations in finance from Narayana Business School.
Hello, I am Nida Sindhi. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat itself, and I am pursuing MBA in PGPC marketing.
Amazing. That's really very good, guys. Now, my first question is, again, I want to double down on the course. So some of you are doing PGDM programs here, some of you are doing MBA programs here. So if you all could tell me what is the unique highlight of these programs, what is, whether it's a, specialization, anything will be great.
So I like to mention that people's or students may have that kind of theory, like what is good, what is better, whether MBA or PGDM. So it's a very simple thing. If you want to go practical, you can choose PGDM, and if you want to go in some theoretical kind of something then you can go MBA. There's not much difference in that. But if you are too much concentrated towards doing PhD or something like theoretical knowledge, you can go with MBA. I am an MBA student, so I am just clarifying things on students like, okay, if you are too much into theoretical things, if you are good for a PGDM, for abroad studies, you can go with an MBA. But if you don't want to do that, you want to do with some practical aspects of life, you can go with a PGDM as well. This is the only difference between MBA and...
Okay, other than the difference, what's the major highlight of doing an MBA here?
Okay, so major highlights of doing MBA here, we have just explored too many colleges as well before entering into that. Peoples and basically faculties are too much into students. They brush up all your skills, all your things. Even MBA, if you are not confident, if you are an introvert kind of person, you will get a stage. You will get your inner confidence build up to stand up and just speak up for yourself, for the inner self, and even to represent yourself. How much can you do it?
Great. What about you? You guys are doing the PGDM, so tell me.
So I would like to double quote it that I'm not just doing PGDM, but I'm doing PGDM dual specialization, and it's that part that I love the most about it, because when I was looking for colleges, I didn't really got a college which offered me a dual thing. So here I get to do marketing and here I get to do finance. So that's the best part. Also,
Best of both worlds. जहाँ पे भी placement लग जाए फिर.
Yes, absolutely. Also highlighting the fact that here we get to do all the things, and like we really are onto the ground, and we get to do all the things like experiential learning and stepping into the markets and doing projects. So it's all about practical things. Like what happens is maybe you are just reading a concept in a book and you don't really know how you go about that, but then when we step into the market, we actually get to weave around the topic and the concept. So that's the best part about PGDM, I believe.
Amazing. That's really very good, guys. I think students will get a fair bit of idea of what the difference is and all that. Now, guys, the second question that I have for all you people is around the whole admission process and the interview. See, last year when I came on the campus, we shot the campus show video. After that, I was getting a lot of doubts from the students कि भैया interview कैसे clear करें, how do we go about the process and all that. Now that you guys have been through the process, some of you might have given CAT, ZAT, or some of you might have given the NB SAT. Everybody sat here for the interview. So what's the advice that you would like to give to your juniors when it comes to preparation for the admission process or the interview specifically?
So when it comes to advising my juniors or anyone who's watching this video, that the interviews are not rocket science. We make it so much difficult in our heads that it is very difficult. We have to know a lot about our concepts and everything. But जो इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, जो भी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस और तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी के बेसिस पे तुम्हें लेती है कि आर यू ईगर टू लर्न और आर यू विलिंग टू लर्न. बेसिकली तुम्हें सिर्फ वही देख के लिया जाता है. तुम्हारी नॉलेज और स्किल्स देख के तुम्हें कोई पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं बुलाएगा. सो इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं लेने चाहिए तुम्हें इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस को लेके. व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग फॉर जॉब इंटरव्यूज़ और समर इंटर्नशिप इंटरव्यूज़, तब तुम्हारे पास स्किल्स और नॉलेज सेट होना चाहिए बताने के लिए, जो यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड होता है. लेकिन उससे पहले व्हेन यू आर कमिंग टू द इंस्टीट्यूट, तो तुम्हें सिर्फ अपना कॉन्फिडेंस और अपना वोकैबुलरी, कम्युनिकेशन, ये चीज़ें स्ट्रॉन्ग रखनी चाहिए ताकि तुम अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर पाओ. दैट्स द कोर टू इट.
Okay, I think that's very nice, because you said that agar right intent ho,
exactly,
so, other things can be figured out, and obviously once you're joining the college, then they will teach you. This is their job to teach you. Got it. Anybody else who wants to guide somebody for the NB SAT exam, like what preparation material you guys use?
So for NB SAT, it's not basically all the things. It's general aptitude test only, and general knowledge and IQ would be a great option. And in market there are many multiple competition books that can be referred. So it's not an hard and fast. It's moderate.
So if you're preparing for a CAD, NMAT, CMAT, you're majorly preparing. But yeah, I was checking the curriculum, and there are other aspects to the NB SAT which I feel is good. Like there's business and economic awareness and all that.
So if you're preparing for any competitive exam, it is going to be very easy for you. So that you just need your basic knowledge and competitive knowledge that you've been learning. For all the other exams, the exam curriculum is going to be the same.
Fair enough, guys. The next question and the very masala controversial topic is around the ROI. The return on investment. You guys have spent 2 years here, almost 2 years, valuable time, effort, all those things. So what's the return that you're getting? Firstly, let's start with internships. I want you guys to be honest and tell me if Narayana Business School is actually helping you get internships after your first year, or you guys have to do it on your own?
Actually, Narayana Business School यहाँ पे हमारा placement सेल रहता है, and they help you throughout the process. Like internship के लिए आपको पूरा 100% they will help, they will get the companies and everything. And काफ़ी बच्चे more than 80% students get the internship from college, and बाकी के जो 20% है वो बाहर से खुद से भी internships लेते हैं.
Okay, तो ऐसे करते सब यहाँ पे पूछते हैं. Tell me where did you intern and who helped you get this internship?
Okay, so my internship is in EY. So I would like to break a myth over here. Like बच्चों को क्या होता है ना कि if we are not in a Tier 1 college, then we won't get Big 4 for an internship or placements. But it's not here. Placement still जो है Narayana की, they'll help you to get Big 4s as well. So I also got the placements from the college. I also got the internship from the college in Big 4, and they help you throughout the internship procedures. Even they ensure 100% internship and placements should be accomplished in the college itself.
Good. What about you?
So I've done my internship from Gurgaon. So placement cell already helped me. And एक myth होता है कि यार इतने की मिल जाए तो हो जाए, हम फ्री में भी कर लेंगे, हम ऐसे भी कर लेंगे. लेकिन नहीं, प्लेसमेंट सेल हमारा बहुत अच्छा है. उन्होंने राइट नाउ मेरे को हाईएस्ट पेड इंटर्नशिप ऑफर कराई है.
क्या बात है. So where in Gurgaon?
In sector 19 at Vizara Technologies.
Okay. What about you?
So I have done my internship at Vacha INC in Veer Media Studios, and I have got PPO also of 8 lakh, and it was a great opportunity.
Wow,
And Narayana
okay.
Business School helped me throughout. So yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, so I did my internship from Gala Infra, Ahmedabad. It's a luxury real estate, and I got my internship from college itself. And yeah, they really do help you throughout whole internship process and everything. I got selected in 2 companies, and then I was very confused between the 2. So they also helped me with that, that what major company would be beneficial for me in the longer run.
So I did my internship in Embic Organics, which is an FMCG based market in which you need to work for sales. Basically, you need to work for sales, and it's a major myth that everybody looks for marketing process and marketing job and marketing profile. But at the end of the day, you need to work for sales, which I prefer. So I think that the myth should be break hard and fast.
So I have done my internship at a startup at IIM Ahmedabad Ventures. The startup was climbing. So like I had a MNC also in my hand to go for internship. But then like I also asked the advice from my placement cell only. And I was always very eager to do an internship in a startup, and that too at IIM Ahmedabad Ventures. So yeah, I got there, and yeah, I lived the best life
So,
there. So yeah.
you went to the IIM Ahmedabad campus and you were interning
Yes,
there?
yes.
Wow, yaar, kya baat hai. That's really very good. Now guys, the next question is about the placements. Even though I reached out to the management in the morning, they gave me the placement stats through the brochure, and I made another video of it. Guys, do check it up if you haven't done that already. But to you guys, I want to get the candid numbers out there. So what are the placement stats like?
Basically, I already got placed at Merito right now.
Okay, wow.
So-
is it a good thing? Okay, what's the CTC kya hai bhai?
CTC cannot be disclosed over here right now,
Acha.
but offer letter is still pending from
Okay,
at
then
placement
keep your
cell.
fingers on. Nazar nahi
Yeah.
lagni chahiye, no nazar.
Hoping for the best. And for the past years, my seniors got placed, and it was around 8.2 lakhs at average,
Okay.
and the highest would be like 19.5.
Okay.
So that.
And
was
which all companies came on the campus last year?
last year, Merito, Aditya Birla Capital, District, Zomato, Swiggy, many other companies were arrived. So
Okay.
big names are also here in the list.
Okay, what about you guys?
So our placement cycle is still running on. Companies are coming continuously, rigorously. So we are just up to us that we are analyzing every company in detail, and so it's going on. We are on the lane.
So abhi
to do
aapki
it.
nahi lagi hai placement?
No, not yet.
Okay, waiting for it. What about you?
So I got PPO like
Oh, yeah.
of 8 lakh.
Okay,
So
great.
I am like in between, like accept karu ya na karu. But yes, Vishal sir and all the faculties are, and placement cell is continuously supporting and guiding me. So yes, I am.
Okay, got it. What about you?
Yeah. So as she said that the placement cycle is on, so the companies are coming and we are just analyzing which profile suits us, and we are just waiting for the companies, and as soon as we get the choice, we'll gonna get in place.
all
Yeah.
right.
Talking about placements, people create a huge myth in their head that if they get placed, if they get their best job profile, I believe that Narayana Business School have the best placements cell, because I preferably want an FMCG market, and they are very eager to place me for the FMCG market. I am still in the process, but I hope that I should get a good placement from here.
Yeah, so same is the case with me. Like we have so many options, and I'm still figuring out which suits me the best. So
Okay, that's good. I think one of the important things, guys, it's too early to talk about your placements because it's just started. Like the year is going to go on till next year. So I get that completely. And but congratulations to you both. Like you guys have still made it through. But the important part is, are you getting what you want? Because sometimes क्या होता है ना कि यार companies आ तो जाती हैं, बच्चों को उठा लेती हैं, they're mass recruiters and all that. But they are not happy with either the salary or the location or the job role. So the important bit is to wait and get something that you really want, which is good. See, a lot of the people who would be in the process of choosing whichever college they want to choose, but what is it that you would want to warn or advise your juniors? You know, because अब आप लोगों का almost 2 years होने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, so you guys have been through all the good cycles and the bad cycles, the rains and the summers, and you know, good crowd, bad crowd, सब कुछ देख लिया आपने. You've seen your seniors graduate, you've seen your juniors coming in. So what is it? Anybody who wants to answer can do that.
One of the myths of everyone who's coming to do the MBA college after doing the bachelor's from their hometown is basically they'll get a nightlife, they'll party, they'll roam around the city. So I should break the bubble that if you're coming to Narayana Business School, it's not all about the party. They're here to place you. So it is all about the placements and everything. So यहाँ का curriculum पूरा उस basis पे रहता है कि यहाँ पे extra curricular activities, cultures and everything managed by students सब कुछ है. लेकिन उसमें एक और चीज़ है कि तुम्हें बहुत एकदम living the party वाली feel नहीं मिलती है. जैसे तुम्हें बाकी colleges में expected होता है कि नहीं, it's all about party and we're living the moment. No, it is somewhere serious. इस business school में नाम है, school है.
Okay, oh nice. I like that. Naam is cool. Anybody else wants to say something?
You have to be dynamic and adaptable. It's not like कि if you have to outshine, तुम्हें वो चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी. If you will do, no one will gonna stop you. ऐसा नहीं है कि people having that politics, nothing like that. If you will do it, you will outshine. That is the biggest thing. You need to be flexible.
Yeah. Also, I would like to add one point कि पहले तो ये accept करो कि you are here to learn, right? So we should, like, when I came here, I had one thing in my mind that I need to participate as much as I can so that I can grab every other opportunity. And touch wood, in this college I've got a lot of opportunities and I'm still getting it. So the best part is if you are coming here and if you are joining the campus, you will be getting n number of opportunities. It's you who are gonna deciding for you and for yourself. So yeah.
Great. That's all that I want. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best and catch you guys soon. Guys, I was just about to end this video, but then I met the superstars of Narayana Business School right now. Why am I calling them superstars? Because these are the first few people who have been placed, and in fact, they've been placed at District by Zomato. Guys, I want to ask you a few questions around that, but firstly, if you all could introduce yourself and tell me where are you from?
Okay, so my name is Priya Manan and I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat, and I'm pursuing MBA from Narayana Business School.
Awesome. What about you?
Hello, my name is Janam Jain and I'm from Nashik, Maharashtra, and I'm pursuing PGDM dual specialization from Narayana Business School.
My name is Swati Singh. I'm from Bharuch, Gujarat. I'm doing PGDM dual specialization in marketing and HR from Narayana Business School.
That's amazing, guys. You are the first few people who have been placed, and that too at such a good company like District by Zomato. So how does that feel like? Have you guys synced in that yet? And what's the vibe around?
So firstly, it feels great to get placed. Like I was the first one to get placed and it actually felt very nice. Like all the teachers and everyone were appreciating us and everyone were very supportive for us.
Okay, and are you not getting like too much importance from your batchmates and all, like howling and all that?
Actually, we are like there are posters that are going live on television. So like we are actually our friends are capturing those videos and photos and they are sending it to us. And yes, they are all happy for us. So that's really nice.
That's a good thing. Now, guys, the second question is around the whole process. What was it like? I'm pretty sure getting a job at Zomato was not very easy. So how was the whole process?
So it was a very lengthy process. First of all, the process was start with the resume shortlisting. Then 50 we get 100 resume over there and 24 was shortlisted. After that, we have to shoot a video for Zomato. That was a 1 minute video task. And after that, we have a interview with zonal head, then interview with the operations head, and last with the operation HR. So it was a very lengthy procedure, but it was a quite learning procedure for all of us. So it has a great opportunity for us.
That's good. Now, the good part when I was talking to your batchmates were that you have already started working at Zomato. So if you all could tell me firstly, what's your CTC and how is the current experience of working there?
Okay, so if we talk about CTC, it is 9.5 per annum. And if I have to tell that how is my experience at Zomato working, so first of all, Zomato is very famous for work culture, brand work culture where you will not feel that you are actually in the corporate. And second thing, the role we have got of key account manager, we have to manage the accounts of restaurants, okay, convince them and onboard new restaurants, which is I feel initial task is great.
That's really very good, guys. Thank you so much. I wish you guys all the very best. And please give me any free coupon that you get from Zomato, okay?
Sure,
yes. Alright guys, I'm almost towards the end of my video and my day one here at Narayana Business School. I hope you guys got all the information that you needed. Honestly speaking, talking to the students, I don't know how the time went by so very fast, but I hope you guys have gotten all the information that you needed. Now guys, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. I'll be more than happy to reply. Along with that, do share this video with your friends or anybody who's interested in any of the programs that are currently being offered by Narayana Business School. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys, bye-bye.